What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for joining. In today's video I'll be showing you two websites which you can use to make 3,000 naira online every single day. Or maybe this is your first time making money online. I'll be showing you in this video how you can earn your first 3,000 naira online with no investment. You don't need any skills. All you need to do is to have a smartphone and a good internet connection and you are good to go. I'm going to be showing you two good websites that you can use to get started and start making your first 3,000 naira online every single day. So if this is kind of content you would like to watch, stick around to the end of this video to find out more. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. My name is Chinewa Violet. On this channel, I share information on different ways of making money online. So for more content, join the family by subscribing to this channel. Turn on that notification bell beside this so you get notified when a new video is up on this channel. And to my returning subscribers, you all are welcome back. So without further ado, I'm going to be taking you to my laptop screen to show you this website and get you started with making money online. Now let's go to my screen. So guys, the website is called writersgig. So just come to Google here and type writersgig, and I click on the first link. Now this is a website that will help you to earn 3,000 naira or more. So when you come over to, you can scroll down, you can see the top writing gigs. Okay, look at the top writing gigs. Okay, you can see how much these people are making. Okay, let's say this particular guy, Chido, we click on his profile, and you can see that this guy is making 3,000 naira. Okay, this is basic. Now they have basic, they have basic, they have a premium. Okay, so this is basic. Basic is 3,000 naira. So he charges 3,000 naira to write for you. All right, so you can also do this. Okay, I'm going to be showing you in a minute how you can get started. So you can see here he says, I write beautiful content for blogs, persuasive content for your products, whatever the content I will deliver. And it has about 4.2 like stars. Okay, and it has a good review. 23 people have reviewed his writing skills. Okay, so you can see over here. So this is about his gig. You say, hello, I am Chide. I write premium content with very good SEO optimization. My contents are not plagiarized and I will deliver very timely. I will heed to all of your instructions and deliver a content which would be very suitable. I look forward to hearing from you. So you can as well do this, okay? And as you can see, it's verified. So once you create an account here, you verify your email, you'll be verified, okay? That means you are real, all right? So you can see he's making 3,000 naira. And when you come over to other people as well, there's people making, there are people making, this girl here, Onyi, is making 3,000 naira. This guy is making 3,000 naira. Okay, this is starting point, 3,000 naira. This is 2,000 naira for starting. Okay, for starting. When you click on their profile, you see how they are making what they are offering. Okay, you can see this girl here. It's loading. This lady, Queen Bliss, she has about 4.7 star rated, and 18 people rated her. 4.7. Okay, so you can see she's charging 3,000 naira. Okay, she's charging 3,000 naira. So yeah, so you can as well do this. Okay, these are all her description. Okay, so now what you have to do, you come over to category and you can see the different writing skills. Okay, I mean different writings that you can actually perform. You can see blog writing, UX writing, copywriting. These are niches, okay? Copywriting, technical writing, artistic writing, script writing, ghost writing. So you can actually see what you know. Like, just if you know that you're good at blog writing, then you can go into blog writing. If you know you're good at copywriting, you can go into copywriting. If you know you're good at script writing, you can go into script writing. All right, but don't worry, even if you're not a professional writer, you don't know how to write, you're a beginner, I'm going to be showing you another website that will help you to write articles, write scripts. You know, you can actually write for people using this website, using the website I'm going to be showing you in a minute. All right, I'm going to be showing the website that will help you to write articles. You can write for people and you can make make money online. Okay, you can earn 3,000 naira, you can earn more. So you can actually charge the price you see here is this is the amount she's charging. So you can charge more or you can charge less. You can decide to charge 2,000 for basic. You can decide to charge 5,000 for basic. It depends on what you are offering. Okay. All right. So now what you need to do now is to get started. You have to sign up. Okay. To sign up, you have to click on become a writer. You click on become a writer here, and it will bring you to this page. Okay, don't worry, I'm going to be leaving the link in the description. All right, so it will bring you to this page. You say writing is fun, make it better by earning easily. So you write and make money. Join our pool of professional writers who earn money by working at their pace. So what you need to do is to click on get started. All right, so when you click on get started, you can click on, you have to choose sign up as a buyer or as a writer. So you're signing up as a writer because you want to sell, you want to write for people, right? So you click on writer. So once you click on writer, what you need to do is you can sign up with your Gmail or you can sign up with your Yahoo Mail. So I already have an account with this website. So what I need to do is to go into signing in. So to sign up is very simple. Just put in information, verify your email. Once you use your email to sign up, verify your email address by going to your email, and then you're good to go. You can sign in and start, updating your profile, creating your gig. So now I already have an account. I already have an account with them. So what I need to do is to click on continue. All right, and then I have to update my profile. So you have to do this first, okay? You need to update your update your information, okay? Your profile informations. That means you're creating your gig. All right, so what I need to do is, this is just a demonstration. I'm just going to show you how to do this. All right, you can add in your profile picture here, okay? Put in a professional profile picture. All right, and then select your gender. Okay, I'm going to select male and female, sorry. And then I'm going to select my date of birth. So I'm going to put in, let's say I'm going to put in 4th September, 4th August. I'm going to choose, you have to be 18 years above. So I'm going to choose like 1999. Okay, 1999. And then my bio. This is your description. This is what people will see. They click on, before they contact you. All right, they want to see what you are, what you can offer. So you can write as many as you can. All right, so what you can do here, you can put here, hello, I am, okay, hello, for example, I'm doing this, for example, hello, I am, okay, hello, my name is Violet. Okay, I will write, just go straight. I am a professional writer. Can put this way. I'm a professional. Maybe you want to base on, your category, you want to niche down to copywriting, or you want to niche down to blog writing. So you can just choose. You can say I'm a professional blog writer. Okay. Blog writer with SEO optimization. Oh, sorry. Okay, what you have to do is you can put over here, I'm a professional blog writer. Okay. And then you can put full stop and say, this is an example. I will write a professional, I'll write a professional blog for you with SEO optimization. Okay, full stop. Then you can put other things. Maybe you might want to put your qualification. You might want to put your skills if you have any skills, but skills are not compulsory. Okay, you might want to put an additional qualification. Maybe you have a qualification, just put it there. All right. So the next thing is to add your language. Okay, select language. Let me bring this over here. Okay, select your language. You can speak English. English, it's proficiency experts, and then you can add another language, Spanish, and put in experts. I mean, you want to put in experts so that people can believe you, people can trust you. So you can put in another language, French, and then select proficiency experts. So if you have more language, you can actually add in more language. So next, what you have to do once you're done with this is to click on next. Okay, fill in the field, which fields? Okay, I have to put in a profile picture here. So you can put in a profile picture. Let's say I'm just going to select, let me just choose this. Okay, yeah. So just putting something that is nice, professional. I'm just using this as an example. Okay, so what I have to do now is to click on next. So now next, then I have to select my state. Okay, this is random address. Okay. So this is random address generator. Okay, let me look for Lagos State. Okay, I'm going to put in Lagos. I'm going to use this address. Okay, state is Lagos. Okay, and then city is Surulere. I'm just copying it. Okay, city is Surulere. Okay, and then phone number. There's a phone number here, so I'm going to copy the phone number. I'm going to copy the phone number and then paste it there. And then now click on next. Okay, and now I need to select, this is professional information, and this is optional. So you can skip this or you can choose to fill it up. So what is the main service you offer? So you can choose, maybe, okay, you're writing blogs, so you click on, so mine is blog writing. So I'm just going to click on blog writing. So you just choose your category, all right? And then you can add a skill if you have a skill. If you don't have a skill, just leave it. Okay, it's optional. Now the next is education. Education is optional. Okay, it is optional. You can add the schools you attended, areas of study, and degrees earned. So it's good if you have an education, just put it there. Okay, so if you don't have a qualification, it's fine, just leave it and click on next. All right, so now says, are you sure? Are you ready to submit your profile? So now if you're ready to submit your profile, just go through it. You can see this is my name, Surulere, Lagos, Nigeria. And then this is description. Okay, and this is my phone number. People can contact me. Please put in your real phone number. Okay, just for the purpose of this video, I went into this website to get some random phone number. But if you're creating this site, please put in your real phone number, put in your real date of birth, okay, if you want. Okay, now you can click on submit profile. Once everything is done, you're satisfied with your profile, you can submit. You've created your gig. So once you submit, you have created your gig, okay, and people can start, your gig can go live. People will start, buying from you. Okay, you start having sales. People will start contacting you to write for them. All right, not a professional writer. Okay, you want to write, I'm going to be showing you this website that will help you to write. The name of the website is called write.me. All right, this is the website that will help you to write articles, write blogs, blog posts, and so on and so forth. So I'm going to be leaving the link in the description. You can sign up. All right, you can sign up. When you sign up, you have the ability to write 10 characters, okay, for free. All right, you have the ability to write 10 characters for free when you sign up. And then once you've completed the 10 characters, once you've written like 10 characters, then you have to upgrade your account. And upgrading means you have to subscribe. So you have to subscribe either monthly or yearly. So you can subscribe per month is $29 per month. Okay. So with the $29 per month, you have unlimited characters. You have access to unlimited characters. You have access to 40 plus use cases and tones. You write like 30 plus languages. You create your own custom use cases. You can generate up to 100 images with AI. You can have access to premium communities. You can, have priority emails and chat support. So all these are packages that comes with the $29 per month. You can also subscribe yearly. All right. So that is for the subscription. So I'm going to be leaving the link in the description. So if you sign up and then you come over your seller language, which language you write in English, or you want to write in Chinese, you want to write in Dutch, you can select the language and then select the tone as well. Do you want a convincing tone? Do you want appreciative? Do you want assertive? Do you want a candid one, casual? You can select. You want to write a persuasive post, so you need to select convincing. All right, then choose use cases. So you have to choose here. What are you writing? Is it blog ideas? Do you want blog ideas and outline? Do you want blog section writing? Do you want brand name? Do you want business idea page? You select. Let's say I want to write blog idea and outline. So you can select here and put in the primary keyword. So what is the primary keyword? Okay, let's say I want to write on affiliate marketing. Okay, affiliate marketing. Number of variants. So you can choose, okay, how many variants do you want? And then the creativity level, you can choose optimal, low, medium, high, max, less fractions. You can just choose the one you want here. I prefer the optimal. So what you need to do next is to click on write for me. So when you click on write for me, it will write for you. All right. So you can see here, this is what it has written. So what you need to do is don't just copy and paste. Use Grammarly. Grammarly will help you to rewrite the articles. Grammarly will help you to check for spellings, wrong spellings. Grammarly will help you to check for plagiarism. Make sure that your content is original. You want to send out original content. Okay, you're writing for someone, you need to make sure that your content is original. Okay, so that they can actually give you a good review. All right. So basically that is it. So this is the website that will help you to write. Guys, if you have watched to this stage and you've not liked this video, please like this video so that YouTube can share this video to other people to also watch and get value from it. All right. And please share this video with your friends and families so that they can also learn how to make money online. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this video, and if you're currently making money online using this website that I mentioned in this video, let me know in the comment section. I also want to hear from you. All right, so I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much, guys, for watching my videos. Thank you for supporting this channel. I appreciate you all. See you guys in my next video. Bye.